Imagine hitting the road in a vehicle that combines luxury, practicality, and performance all in one. That's exactly what the 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes Wayfarer brings to the table. Tiffin has built its name on craftsmanship and comfort, and with the new Wayfarer, they've taken that legacy to the next level. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Wayfarer is its sleek, modern design. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this motorhome has the perfect balance of strength, stability, and style. The aerodynamic exterior doesn't just look good, it also helps improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise, making long drives smoother and quieter. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by an upscale, residential feel. Every inch of the Wayfarer's interior has been thoughtfully designed, from handcrafted cabinetry to the soft touch upholstery. Tiffin's attention to detail really shines here. The lighting is warm and ambient, the floor plan feels spacious and open, and every material feels premium. You can choose from multiple floor plans, but all of them are designed with functionality in mind. There's a well-equipped kitchen with solid surface countertops, a convection microwave, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and a refrigerator that's large enough for real cooking, not just quick snacks. Across from that, you get a cozy dining area that doubles as a workspace or entertainment zone. Sleeping arrangements are comfortable and flexible. Depending on the layout, you can have a queen bed, Murphy bed, or even a convertible sofa. The beds feature high-quality mattresses, ensuring you rest just as well on the road as you do at home. The bathroom is compact yet cleverly designed, complete with a shower, sink, and storage space that's actually usable. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Wayfarer doesn't disappoint. Powered by the Mercedes-Benz 2.0L turbo diesel engine, it delivers impressive torque and efficiency. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, and with advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention, you get both confidence and comfort behind the wheel. Tiffin has also packed in smart technology. You'll find a digital dashboard, a large infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even the option for Wi-Fi and satellite TV. The control panel lets you manage lighting, temperature, and power systems all in one place, often through a smartphone app. Storage is another area where the Wayfarer shines. Both inside and out, you'll find plenty of cleverly integrated compartments for all your travel essentials. Exterior storage bays are easy to access and weather-sealed to keep your gear protected. But what really sets the 2026 Wayfarer apart is how it feels to live in. It's not just a vehicle, it's a small luxury home on wheels. The suspension system smooths out bumps, the insulation keeps things quiet and cozy, and the combination of design and engineering makes it one of the most livable Class C motorhomes in its segment. In short, the 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer is built for travelers who want elegance without excess, adventure without discomfort, and technology that works seamlessly behind the scenes. Whether you're exploring national parks, cruising down the coast, or parking in a city for a weekend getaway, the Wayfarer is ready to make every journey feel first class.